This video covers 11th grade how to evaluate a limit. So let's say you were given limit as x is approaching a 2, parenthesis open parenthesis 3x squared plus 2x plus 7 close parenthesis. So limit x is approaching 2. So let's do the coordinate. What this means is this is your x-axis, positive, right? And then this is your negative. So this x is approaching going to the positive and approaching a number 2. So x is going to 2. So when x is approaching and going to the 2, is your y, is your negative y. So when x is approaching 2, what will be a 3x squared plus 2x plus 7? That's what it's all about. Limit as x approaching 2, what will be 3x squared plus 2x plus 7. So you're going to say limit as x approaching 2, 3x squared plus 2x plus 7 equal to, so x is approaching 2, so we're gonna replace all x, we're gonna replace to 2. So 3 times 2x squared, because x is approaching 2, so this become a 2. So 3 times 2 square plus 2 times 2, we're gonna replace a 2 plus 7. So 2 square, for this 2 square become a 4, right? We have to do the exponent first, right? And then what we're gonna have? We're gonna have 3 times 4 plus 4, because 2 times 2 is 4, plus 7 here, plus 7, right? So what are we gonna have? 3 times 4 equal to 12, and then 4 plus 7 equal to 11. 12 plus 11 equal to 23. So for this equation, for this given math as x, for limit as x approaching to 2, as x approaching to 2, this is equal to 23. That's all about. As x approaching, the limit of this evaluation, the limit of that equal to 23. That's what it's all about.